Hello creatives, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be teaching you on how you can achieve this professional, simple and easy salon flyer design with just your Android smartphone. Now the application that you are going to be using for this tutorial is called Pixellab. If you don't have this application, kindly go on Play Store and type Pixellab and hit on the download button. Now if you don't want to be using the Pixellab phone on Play Store, if you don't love that version and you instead love mine, you can kindly check in the description of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you if I drop awesome tutorial like this. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive into this tutorial. So I will clear everything. Yeah, so I've wiped everything off. Now I'll just import the design for reference purpose. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Yeah, there's it. So before you start designing any flyer, or if you are designing a book, in short, before you want to start any design, the first thing you need to know is your size. If you don't know your size, therefore you don't want to design, you don't even know what you want to design. So the first thing you need to know is your size that you are working on. So for this particular tutorial, I will be working on 1280 pixel by 1280 pixel because Pixellab supports pixels. So I'll be using 1280 pixel by 1280 pixel. So I'll go to my page icon. This is where you can on this icon, this is where you can actually, if you want a transparent page, if you want to insert your page color, if you want to insert your page size, this is where you can do it. If you want to insert something to appear on your background color, you do it here. Sorry, here, this is a page tool. So I want to insert a page size of 1280 pixel by 1280 pixel. So I'll just click on my image size. Yeah, I already have it here by default, but if you don't have it, please make sure you just click and you have your keyboard. This is your keyboard. You just erase and just insert it. After doing that, you click on your check mark. Make sure you have an aspect ratio of 1:1 because this flyer is actually a square. That's why you're going to have 1:1 here. Now you just click on your OK. Now for the page color, you just click on a color. You just click on color. Don't forget we are still inside the page tool. So for the page color, just click on color. If you check our reference design, you see that we have but instead a solid color and not a gradient color. Now Photoshop will tell you solid color, but Pixellab does not do that, but they are the same. Okay, they are the same. So if you are a Photoshop designer, if you are using Photoshop to design your books, your flyer, banner, posters, everything, you will see the solid specified solid color. The Pixellab does not specify that this is a solid color. Instead, Pixellab said color. So color and solid color, they are the same. Now on Photoshop, it is written there gradient color, but Pixellab just said gradient. So it's the same. It's the same. You should not be confused. Now the difference between solid color and gradient color is that solid color is one single unique color, while gradient color is from 2 to infinity colors. That is 2, 3 to infinity. That's where gradient color comes in. So gradient color support 2 to infinity color, while solid color only support one single color. Perfect. So I'll go in for a solid color because on our reference we actually have a solid color here, and this is not a white color. So let me show you the whites. Yeah, this is a white, but on our normal design I did not use a white color. So I'll just have the color here already. I'll just share the color code with you. Yeah, this is the color. This is the color. So I'll just share the color codes with you. Let me say you click on black or you click on white. For you that you don't have this color, so after clicking on your white, you just click on this plus icon. I want to share the color code with you. This is so you can actually change the color, or you change it here. But if you have the color codes, you instead click on this plus icon to actually edit the color code and put your own color code. So this is the color. Now click on this plus icon to change the color code. So after you click on that plus icon, you click on this. You click on this icon, this one here. This one is color picker. This is a pencil tool where you can actually edit your hex code color or your hexadecimal code color. So go in for, this is the color and this is the hex code. This is the hexadecimal code, that is red, green and blue. Now for the hex codes, make sure you have everything written in capital letters. Now for the hex codes, we have EF, E, 8FA. Yeah, now for the hexadecimal, which is the RGB version, that is red, green and blue, we have 239, 232 and 250. But I will advise you that you should go in for the hexadecimal codes. Make sure you have everything written inside your hexadecimal code in capital letters. So let's say you have written this already. You just click on your OK and OK, then you click on your check mark. Perfect. So after doing that, let me scale our reference design down a bit. So after doing that, I want to create this shape. So I'll just go to my object tool. I'll click on shape. I'll just resize it like this, as seen on the original design. Perfect. Then I will change the color. Yeah, I have a color. This is a color here. I'll just share the color code with you. So radius, to have this rounded end, you just increase your radius a bit. So I want a radius of 4%. Now let me share the color code with you. So I'll just click on this plus icon. Yeah, or click on this. This one is color picker. If you want to pick color from something, you use this one. Now this is a pencil tool where you can actually insert your own color code if in case you have one, or if you want to insert the one I want to give you, you just click on this pencil icon like that. Yeah, this is the hex code and this is the hexadecimal color code. Now for the hex code, make sure if you want to insert any hexadecimal code using Pixellab, you have everything written in capital letters. But if you are using Photoshop, if you use capital or use small letter, you have the same result. But for Pixellab purpose, you use capital letters only, please. So for the hex code, we have 621870C. While for the hexadecimal, we have 9824.124. So I will instead advise you to go in for the hex code. But if you want to go in for the hexadecimal, you just come here and type. And for yours, you that you are just opening this interface for the first time, you have 255, 255, 255, which is a white color. So for you that you have 255 here, or any number that you are having here, you can just edit and put 98. You come here, edit and put 24. You come here, edit and put 124. So you just click on it like that and you have your keyboard appeared on your screen, so that you can just edit it. So that's the hex code 62187C. You just click on OK and OK. You have this effect, this color. Perfect. So I'll just make a duplicate. Let me show you something. Now I want to I want to create this effect. Now, most of you that don't know, you will instead come back again to shape. You will not have the same result, my sister, my brother. You will not have the same result. You instead come back again and you start editing the shape, changing the color. You will not have the same result, my sister. So see something, you will not have the same result, and besides you are taking a lot of time. So instead, I will advise you that if you have one shape like this, I'm talking for this particular effect, so for you to achieve this result, you just make, instead you make a duplicate. Yeah, you make a duplicate like that, then you go to edit. Are you seeing? Then now you don't change your radius, because these the two shapes, they have the same radius. So after doing that, you go to your color, instead change it to white as seen on the original design. Change it to white. Yeah, then you go to your stroke as seen on the original design. There's a stroke here, so you go to your stroke. I'll give it a stroke of 2%. So I will give it the same color I use here. That's the same color I'll be using for my stroke. So this is it. I'll come to stroke color. I'll click on this color as seen on the original design. So I'll just take this way. Yeah, then I'll send to back. That's all. You send to back. Let me edit it again. Yeah, send to back. Perfect. You have something like that. So let's say we have this shape created already. Now once you create this other shape here, I'll just go back to my shape, I'll drag it this way, then I'll just shift it inside that particular angle. Then I'll adjust my radius as seen on the original design, change the color back to the same color. Yeah, to that color. Then I'll just try to increase. Yeah, to something like that. Now after doing that, let me first of all center it. So I'll just click my relative position. Sorry, let me on my grid. I want that this shape should end around the center, so I'll just on my grid. Yeah, this is my center, so I'll make sure that my snap tool is on, is enabled, so that okay, I should not instead put it at the center. This is the center, so I should instead yeah, do something like this. Perfect. Then I'll disable back my grid. Yeah, let me edit the shape back again and increase my radius to 7%. Yeah, do something like this. Perfect. Good. So after doing that, I'll just lock it. I'll lock everything, because I don't want misbehavior when I'm designing. So I will scale this a bit again. Now to achieve this effect, this sooty effect having slightly another color, let me show you how you can achieve that using your Android smartphone. So I'll go to my shape. I'll go in for a circle. So this is a circle. Yeah, I'll do something like this as seen on the original design. I'll just do something like this. Yeah, I'll place it somewhere, yeah, around here. Then I will go to opacity and decrease the opacity. So are you seeing? That's how you can achieve that particular effect. All these things, they are simple, you just need to have the knowledge. So I'll decrease my opacity. Yeah, then I will make a duplicate. First of all, let's check the original design. Yeah, this is our original design. You see, we have created this particular effect that is having slightly different color from this other color. So I also have the same effect on this our elements here. I'll just make a duplicate instead of me to be creating again from fresh. I'll just make a duplicate. I'll position it here, and then for this I will increase the opacity a bit. Yeah, let's say an opacity of 8%. I'll just scale it, position it somewhere around here, then I'll go to my layer and I'll close it. Yeah, perfect. I have something like that. So after doing that, let's start typing our text. You see lash and brows. So just go to my text tool, text. I'll type lash, 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 lash. Then I'll change the font to, I'll go to fonts, I'll go to my font. This is my font. I'll go to Aletriat. Yeah, that's the font. Aletriat. So you can kindly go on Play Store. First of all, capitalize the first letter. Lash. Yeah, that's it. The font I use here is called Aletriat. So you can kindly go on the font or Google font to actually download that particular font. So I'm sure this shape is too big, so I'll go back to my, yeah, this is it here. So I'll click on object tool, then I'll go to edit, so I can reduce the size like this. Yeah, I'll click on my check mark. Let me lock it. Okay, it is already locked. So lash, I'll give the same color that we have been using for this particular tutorial. So I'll click on color, and this is the color. So I'll just scale it again, scale it up like that, or position it here. I'll make a duplicate and type and browse, and browse. I'll type and browse. I don't know, my phone is okay, sorry. I'll go there, type and browse. Yeah, and browse, and browse. In the A is in small letters, small letter, and browse. Yeah, I'll just scale it down, position it here. Yeah, and browse, something like that's perfect. So I'll just position this, take it, yeah, I'll just position it somewhere around there. Now I will just say quality services. Quality services are seen on the original flyer. Before doing that, let me just type the quality service. So I'll just click on shape. I'll position this here, scale it somewhere here. I'll just bring this here. Yeah, then I'll change the color to that same color. Yeah, so let me edit again. and browse. So I'll type quality service. So I'll just make a duplicate of that particular text and type quality service. Quality service. Capitalize everything, then I'll change the font. For this quality service, I can use, let me try Poppins. Poppins. Yeah, Poppins medium or Poppins bold. Yes, I will use Poppins bold. If you don't have this one, kindly go on, first of all change the color to white. So I will first of all scale it down. Then I'll change the color to white. Sorry, that's not the white color. To white. Perfect. So I have quality services. So I'll just increase the letter spacing as seen on the original design. So I'll click on it. I'll go to spacing. Then I'll just increase it like that. Then position it here. I'll go back to my font and change the width. Poppins. I'm not comfortable with that width. I instead use Poppins bold, but I don't want Poppins bold. I'll instead go in for Poppins medium. Yeah, perfect. Poppins medium. So let me go back and adjust this particular shape as seen on the original design. So I'll click on object to shape. Yeah, okay like that. So to front. After doing that, let me create this white shape. So I'll go to my shapes. I will increase my border radius as seen on the original design. Yeah, I'll go in for this color, the color we use for our background, but I've already shared the color code with you. Yeah, we have something like this. So I'll make a duplicate again. Let us create this particular shape that we are having our services on it. So I'll make a duplicate again. I'll go to edit. This time around I'll just position it. Wait. Yeah, I'll go to edit. I'll position it here. I'll place it somewhere here. I'll just adjust it, then give the same color. Give the same color. Yeah, but this time I'll make it more thicker, so I'll just push it this way. Yeah, I'll click on OK and OK. Yeah, so after doing that, I'll click on this quality service. I'll make a duplicate. Yeah, that's it. So I'll type there our service. Edit. Our services. Semicolon. Okay. Then I'll go back to my line spacing and yeah, spacing. This is the spacing. So I'll just disable it. Perfect. So I have something like this. Sorry. but this time around I'll change the font weight to semi bold. So I'll go to fonts, I'll type Poppins. So I'll go in for Poppins bold, not semi bold, bold. Yeah, Poppins bold. I'll just scale it like that. Poppins bold. Yeah, I have something like that. Our services. I will make a duplicate of this. We have micro braiding, micro shading, brown bro lamination. So I'll just make a duplicate. I'll go to my edit. I'm sure I'm having all those yeah, I have it here found inside my clipboard. So I'll just click on my OK. Then I'll change the color back to this our normal color. Then I'll scale it down like that, position it, or position it like that. Yeah, I'm good to go. So I'll close this particular, I'll lock the shape. So I'll go to my layer. Yes, this is it here. This is it here. So I'll just lock it now. This is it here. You see, if you come to your layer, any of this element that is having this particular sky blue line, it means you are currently on that particular element. That's why it is highlighted to actually show you the difference, that this is where you are. This is on the elements you have clicked on. So this is it. I'll just lock it. Now I cannot move it again because it is locked. So I'll make a duplicate. First of all, let me increase the size again a bit. Yeah, to something like this. I'll just position it somewhere around there. Then I'll make a duplicate. I'll just copy it. Yeah, I'll go to edit. I'll just highlight everything. I'll go to my, yeah, we have it here, classic, hybrid, perfect. For me to ensure that they are properly aligned, I'll go to my relative position and center it up. The same with this, center it up. Then I'll go to my layer. This I'll click on here on it like this. This is my layer where I can actually see my different layer that I'm having inside my workspace. So these are the two typo. That is this and this. So I'll click on this icon, then I'll mark. I'll click on this to position it, then I'll bring it yeah. So this is how you can actually carry or move, position more than one element inside your Pixellab. So let me do it again for you to actually understand what I'm doing. I'll go to my layer. This is my layer. I'll just click on it. I'll click on this icon. This is it here. I'll click on it like that. Then I'll mark the two elements. If I want to move or position more than two elements, even 50, you do it the same way. So I'll just mark the two for this tutorial purpose. For this tutorial, I'll mark the two. Then I'll click on this icon. Then this is where you can rotate the two. You can rotate more than 50 elements at the same time. You can position it. You can hide all of them at the same time. You can lock all of them at the same time. You can position all of them at the same time. But for this tutorial, I'll go in for position. So I'll just click on it. Yeah. Are you seeing? So I'll just position it somewhere there. I'll click on my OK and click on OK. After doing that to front, we have for enquiries and booking. So I'll just make a duplicate of this. Duplicate. Yeah. Double click to edit for enquiries and booking. So I have it saved inside my clipboard for enquiries and booking. So I'll change back the color to white. No, to the let me. I'll not change the color as seen on the original design. So I'll just, yeah, just scaling like that for inquiries and booking. Now for let's start importing this our different model found on our design. So I'll just scale this down for me to be seeing what I'm doing, because this is actually our reference. In this channel we create designs from scratch. I show you on how you can, what you can do, where you can go to actually achieve a particular design from scratch to finish. So let us import these three models. So I'll go to shape. I will do something like this. I'll go to my radius to, as seen in original design, to actually round this edge. So radius, let me first of all change the color. Yeah, something like that. So I will, to insert this particular image into this shape, you just go to your texture. After creating the shape like this, you go to your texture, you click on it like that. Yeah, we have it here. So I'll go in for 4:3. I have a tutorial on how you, can analyze an image to insert, to carefully professionally insert it into a particular shape. So make sure you watch that particular video. I will just drop it inside the description of this particular video. So I'll position it yeah, like that. So when you have when your image is repeating like this, you just scale it to fit that particular shape. Yeah, but mine is not well placed at the center, so I'll just go back to my aspect ratio, sorry, texture. I'll go in for 4:3. I'll just click on my check mark. Yeah, when your image is repeating like this, you just scale it. You come to scale. Yeah, that's it. So after doing that, I'll make a duplicate of this, then I'll position it somewhere. My image is too big, so I'll just struggle and scale it. Yeah, scale it down like that. I'll delete this. Yeah, I'll make a duplicate. I'll position this again here. Yeah, then I'll change I'll go to my texture to actually change the photo of that model. So I'll just delete. Click on this like that. I'll go in for 4:3. 4:3. I'll click on my, so if your image is repeating, you just scale it to fit that particular shape. Yeah, like that. Perfect. I'll make another duplicate to ensure that all the three shapes are of the same size, the same property, the same radius, the same width, the same height. So I'll delete this again. Delete. I'll select this 4:3. Yeah, perfect. If your image is repeating, you scale it to actually fit the size of that particular shape. Yeah, perfect. So I want to ensure that all these shapes are aligned. So I'll just relative position to the center like that. Relative position, center. I'll click on this, relative position, center. I'll go back to my um now if I want to give it a equal distance, I will relative position this relative position everything to the center. I also relative position everything to the center. Then I will have a particular positioning movements where I'll be like I'll have it. Let me say I will be removing each of the elements by 20 pixel. So I'll just click, yeah. Then I'll click on this. I'll go to position 20 so that it will be unique. Yeah. So I'll also go to this position again and take it 20 pixel, 40 pixel, 20 pixel. Sorry. Yeah, I have it like this. So I'll go back to my layer to actually um position all these theory elements this way. I want to put it somewhere around here, so I'll just click on this. I'll click, check, click. I'll click on this. I'll go to position. Yeah. So that this is how you can actually carry more than one element from one place to another using Pixellab. So I'm not okay with this. The spacing is too much, so I will take this below using a position of 6 pixel, 6, 12. So this again, I'll do the same thing for this. I'll just say 12 because I actually removed the other one 6 times, 2 times, which is 12. Yeah, I'm okay like that. So I'll just lock everything. Perfect. Yeah, we are almost done. We are getting there. So after doing that, we need to achieve this particular effect, lashed glow. So I'll just go to my shape, position it somewhere around here, do it like this, do it like this. Okay, we are moving. Yeah, I'll take the fill, opacity to 0 like that. Then I'll increase the stroke. I'll give it the same color that we have been using throughout. I'll go to stroke color. Perfect. My stroke width is too much, so I'll go back to stroke and reduce the stroke width to 1%. Yeah, okay. So I'll copy, make a duplicate of this. I'll type in lash glow as seen on the original design. So I have lash glow. I'll just delete this. Lash glow. Capitalize everything. Click on OK. Lash glow. So I'll just scale it down. I have something like that. Now for the width, you see that the font width is thicker than the one found on our original design. So I will go to font, poppins. I'll go in for poppins regular. Poppins regular. Yeah, I'll click on OK. That's it. Poppins regular. Poppins regular. Let's see. Okay, we are almost getting there. Now to achieve this love effect, so I'll just go to my object tool. I'll click on this object tool, click on it. I'll click on this drop down and go to check if we have some love. Yeah, this is it here. Now for the love, I will take the opacity, that is a fill opacity, to 0. Yeah, then I'll increase the stroke. Sorry, I'll increase the stroke. Let me first watch. Yeah, this is it. I'll give it a stroke width of 2. Then the stroke color, this same color. Then yeah, I'll just scale this down. I'm not comfortable with the stroke width. I'll give it a stroke width of 3%. Then I will scale it down. Yeah, I'll scale it again as seen on the original design. Yeah, position it. Yeah, now I'll go to achieve this glow effect. I'll go to shadow, 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 shadow. This is shadow. I'll just click on shadow. um Shadow. I'll change the color. I'll just increase it this way. Shadow does not want to give me the results. Okay, we have the results already. Yeah, we have it already. So after doing that, I'll go to my so after doing that, first of all, let me scale it so that we are going to be seeing what's happening behind the scene. Yeah, so I will offset x to 0, offset y to 0. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. I'll go back to recolor. Yeah, recolor. I'll give it this color. Perfect. Then go back to my shadow. I'll lighten the color again a bit. Perfect. Yeah, I have something like that, so I'll just make a duplicate. I'll make a duplicate and scale it down. Then I'll make a duplicate. I'll position it somewhere around here, like that. Please, if you are when you are creating this, you take your time and do it properly. Now for the numbers. Okay, we have a logo here, so I'll just make a duplicate of this Lash glow. Duplicate. I'll Yeah, so I'll just centralize everything like this, center. Then I'll reduce the line spacing as seen on the original design. Perfect, we are good to go. Then I'll change back the font width to Poppins, to medium. Font width to medium. So I'm going for Poppins medium. I'll position it here. Now for the logo, I don't have the logo with me here. I did not save the logo as a PNG, sorry. So I'll just crop this. But I'll drop the PNG logo inside the description of this video, just that I did not save it as a PNG before I started creating this tutorial. I forget to save it as a png. I really forgot. So for the logo, I'll just crop this on this flyer, since we are using it for tutorial purpose. So I'll just click on it like that, then I'll scale this down. Yeah, I'm good to go. So we are left with the numbers. That is, you have WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. So I'll just make a duplicate of this, edit, perfect. I'll change the color. I'll change the color for visibility to white. Yeah, then I'll scale it, position it somewhere there. Now we are almost done with the design. So here we'll have WhatsApp, WhatsApp, Instagram. So I'll go to, okay, we have WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. So this version of Pixellab that I'm using, I already have WhatsApp. I'm sure I also have Instagram. So I'll just click on this plus icon. I'll go to stickers. I'll click on stickers. I'll just start scrolling to, I have social media icon installed inside this WhatsApp automatically. Yeah, that's it. So you just click on it like that, then you click on empty space. If you click on a check mark, it will disappear. So you click on it. After you have it here, you just click on empty workspace. Yeah, so then I will make a duplicate like that. Then I will go to crop. Yeah, I want to select Facebook only. So I'll just crop. Yeah, Facebook only. Now to change the color, I'll go to my erase color, not eraser, erase color. Yeah, erase color. Yeah, I will erase the white automatically. Then after doing that, I will mesh this logo and this shape. So I'll just click on it, mesh. So I'll just mesh everything for it to be an object. Then I will now change the color to white. Color white. I'll click on my check mark, then I'll scale it down or position it. Yeah, I'm okay. If you are, please, when you are doing this, make sure you take your time and do it properly. Yeah, so let me show you what I did. I make a duplicate. I go to crop. This is crop. So I cropped the Facebook only. I will just, yeah, crop it like that. I'll click on OK. After cropping only the Facebook, I'll go to erase color. This is erase color. So I'll just click and enable it. Automatically the erase color will erase the white, because this white F, the erase color will erase the white F. So I'll just increase my tolerance. So after doing that, I'll go to shape. I'll just create a shape. I'll take it above our canvas, like that. Then I will merge this and our shape. So I'll go to my layer. This is it. I'll just click on this. I'll merge this and our shape. I'll click on merge. Yeah, you see, when you merge it now, only the Facebook icon will be showing on your layer. Will not be showing like this other one here. So after doing that, I can change the color now very easy. So I'll just go to color. Yeah, you can change it to any color. After doing that, you position it to wherever you want to position it. So for the WhatsApp, I'll duplicate, crop, WhatsApp. Yeah, WhatsApp. So I'll go back to recolor, but this time around I will erase the green found on that WhatsApp. So I'll go to color erase. I'll just on it on. Automatically when you on it on, the white, any whitish area found on that particular object will wipe off. So I'll just increase my tolerance. So I did not use this WhatsApp, but for this particular tutorial I'll just use it. Let's see something. I did not use this particular WhatsApp, so I'll just wipe it off. I'll go to my import. Let me import the WhatsApp I use. It was I downloaded the WhatsApp icon. Yeah, we have it here. This one is the Instagram. So I'll just erase this white color. So I'll go to my erase color. I'll just on it up, enable it. Automatically the any white area will disappear. Then I'll bring in a shape, put it like that. I'll mesh the Instagram and that particular shape together. After that, I will change the color to white. Then I'll scale it down. I'll position it somewhere here. Yeah. After that, I'll go to import, album. Yeah, WhatsApp. So for this, I don't need to mesh anything because I'm not first of all wiping anything, erasing any color. So I'll just go to I'll just change the color to white, then scale it down. Yeah, something like that. Perfect. So I'm done with this particular flyer. I'm done. This I'll just make a duplicate. Yeah, position it. So I'm done with this particular flyer. I'm done with the flyer. So what I will do now is that I will save. You see how the flyer is very simple and unique. I used for this particular tutorial, I use one color. White is, we don't consider white as a counted color because white is just automatic in nature when it comes to this graphics, motion and web design. Yeah, so I use just one color. So now I'll go to my save, then I'll increase the clarity. Save. I'll just go to save to gallery. Yeah, then I'll go to my Snapseed. I'll click on this plus icon. This is it here. So I'll just, yeah, tools, details, 20%, structure sharpening, 20%. I'll go to my image, brightness of, I'll just increase the contrast, saturation, ambience, highlights, shadow, warmth. I'll click on my check mark. I'll go back to my details, structure, sharpening. Now I want to, let me go to selective. Tools, selective. Yeah, let me bite in this part. So go to brighten, contrast, saturation, structure. I also have a video on how you can increase your flyer before you send it to your clients. I'll have a tutorial on this. I'll just apply everything, then after that I will export. You just give it some time for it to load. The effect is applying, so you just give it some time for it to load, for you to actually have your results. So please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and ensure you hit the notification bell. Please also share the videos to other people who want to learn graphic design. Make sure you copy the link and share it to others. Okay, yeah, so I'll go to my export, so I'll just save. Perfect. I'll go back to my Pixellab. Yeah, this is it. So you see the difference between Pixellab and Snapseed. You can really see that effect on this particular image. This one is more brighter than this. So this is the end for today's tutorial. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe now, and also make sure you hit the notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you if I drop awesome content just like this. Bye bye. I will see you in my next tutorial.